Today is a special day. The air feels cold, but the excitement is warm. Thousands of people gather in Washington, D.C. They stand shoulder to shoulder, waiting. Some wear red hats, others hold American flags. Families, friends, and strangers stand together, their eyes fixed on the stage. The new president is about to speak. Giant screens show the Capitol building, proud and tall. The American flag waves in the wind. Police officers stand along the streets, watching closely. Security is tight. Helicopters fly overhead. Reporters with cameras and microphones are everywhere. They talk fast, asking questions, looking for answers. Some people smile. Today is the start of something great. They whisper to each other, "He will fix the country." Others look serious. They are not sure what will happen next. Some frown and shake their heads. They wonder, will things change for the better or for worse? The sun peeks through the clouds. A soft cheer rises from the crowd. The moment is close. People check their phones. The news channels report live. Around the world, millions watch from their homes. Some sit with their families. Others watch alone. Everyone is waiting for the same thing. Suddenly, the band begins to play. The music fills the air, the crowd stirs, eyes turn to the stage. Important leaders walk out, dressed in dark coats. Some smile and wave, others walk quickly. Their faces are serious. Photographers click their cameras. Flash, flash. The lights shine brightly. Then a voice announces, "Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States." The crowd erupts with cheers and applause. Some clap their hands, others shout his name. Some stay silent, watching closely. Donald Trump steps onto the stage. He stands tall, his hair perfectly combed. He waves to the crowd. His face is serious. His eyes scan the sea of people before him. He takes a deep breath and walks to the podium. The cheers slowly fade. The city falls silent. Even the wind seems to pause. He grips the sides of the podium and leans forward. Cameras zoom in. He opens his mouth to speak. But for a moment he says nothing. The crowd holds its breath. The world is listening. What will he say? His voice breaks the silence. "My fellow Americans," he begins. His tone is strong and clear. Every word is slow and careful. Some people nod. Others look at him with wide eyes. He talks about the past. He talks about the future. He promises to bring jobs back. He says America will be strong again. His voice rises. "We will make America great again." The crowd cheers loudly. Some people in the crowd wipe tears from their eyes. They feel hopeful. Others cross their arms. They feel unsure. A woman holds her child close. An old man listens with his hand on his heart. The speech continues. Trump talks about change. He talks about unity. He says America will come first. Some clap. Some stay silent. The cameras move across the faces in the crowd. Each person feels something different. Excitement, fear, hope, doubt. The speech goes on. Reporters type quickly. Headlines appear online. Social media is full of comments. Some people agree, others do not. Arguments begin. Back in Washington, the speech nears its end. The president looks out at the people once more. He raises his hand. "Together, we will make our country proud." The crowd cheers again. Balloons float into the sky. The music plays. As he steps away from the podium, his family joins him. They smile and wave. Secret Service agents stay close. The first day begins. The people start to leave, walking slowly through the streets. Some are happy, some are not. But everyone knows. Today is a day they will remember. The sun sets behind the Capitol. The flags still wave. The city hums with new energy. What will happen next? Only time will tell. Donald Trump stands at the podium. He looks out at the crowd. His face is serious. His voice is steady. "We will make America strong again," he says. His words echo across the National Mall. Some people cheer. Others watch in silence. Everyone listens. He talks about the military. He says America must be powerful. "We will rebuild our forces," he declares. His hands move as he speaks. Soldiers in the crowd nod. They stand tall. Some wear their uniforms with pride. Others, veterans, hold their hats close. They remember past battles. They hope for a better future. Trump promises more support for the troops. He speaks about new equipment, better training, and more respect. A young soldier wipes a tear from his eye. He feels proud. But some people worry. They wonder if more military power means more war. The crowd stays divided. Next, Trump talks about jobs. "We will bring back American jobs," he shouts. His voice is loud, full of energy. Some people clap their hands. They have lost their jobs and hope for better days. A factory worker in the front row nods. He lost his job last year. He believes change is coming. Trump explains his plan. He will bring factories back. He will help small businesses grow. He promises fewer taxes. Some people smile, others look unsure. They wonder if these promises can come true. He talks about safety. "Our streets will be safe again," he says. His face is firm. He speaks about police, crime, and security. He says criminals will be stopped. Families in the crowd hold their children close. They want a safer future. A police officer in the crowd stands proud. He believes in the words, but not everyone agrees. Some people whisper. They fear strict laws. They worry about their freedom. The tension in the air grows. Reporters take notes. Cameras focus on the president's face. His voice does not shake. He believes in his plan. Trump continues. "America will not be weak," he says. He talks about strength in every part of life, military, economy, and people. He says Americans must believe in themselves. The words feel powerful. They bring hope to some, worry to others. The crowd reacts in different ways. Some clap and wave their flags. They feel inspired. Others stand still, thinking deeply. They are not sure what to believe. A young woman listens carefully. She wants to believe in a strong America, but she also wants kindness and fairness. The wind blows gently. Flags ripple in the breeze. The sky is cloudy, but the moment feels bright. Trump raises his hand. "Together we will make our nation powerful once more," he says. His voice is filled with determination. A man in the crowd whispers to his wife, "Maybe this is what we need." She nods slowly, unsure. The speech continues. Trump speaks about working together. He says people must unite. "We are all Americans," he reminds them. Some people cheer again. Others remain silent. The world is watching. Leaders from other countries listen closely. Some are impressed. Others feel nervous. They wonder what this strong America will mean for them. News headlines are already appearing. Some call it a great speech. Others call it dangerous. Trump finishes with a promise. "We will never back down," he says. The crowd erupts in applause. Some wave their flags high. Others take photos. The speech is over, but the conversation has just begun. As Trump steps away from the podium, he waves to the crowd. His family stands beside him. They smile and clap. The band begins to play. The atmosphere is filled with excitement and tension. People talk as they leave. Some feel hope. Others feel worry. A man turns to his friend and says, "Do you think he can do it?" His friend shrugs. "We'll see," he replies. The city is alive with energy. Conversations continue in homes, cafes, and offices. Some feel a new sense of purpose. Others feel uncertainty. The future of America is on everyone's mind. The president's words stay with the people. They think about strength. They think about safety. They wonder what will happen next. Only time will tell.